Oh boy, guys, here comes high season with a 3 or possibly a 4 ship day. So check it out. We're going to be busy today. Wonder of the Seas coming in. Biggest in the world, I think. Close to it.
Do you want like a big one or the little one?
Don't you know there's a big ship coming in?
Yeah,
Get to work. Get to
We're
work.
ready to work. We
Yeah,
need to
get
fill our
ready.
belly.
Get ready. Move it. Move it. Everybody. Whoa, look at this thing coming in here. Wow. Back it in now. I'm here with Buffalo, New York, in the house, and you said your son subscribes to Captain Birch. So I found a subscriber's mom and
Grandma.
Grandma. What?
Hi,
I thought you were
Tyler.
sisters. All right.
No.
All righty,
Go
great.
Bills.
Go Bills.
Go Bills. Oh, wait, what did I just say? Go Patriots. Okay, they're starting to come from the ship, and there it is, right there. See how easy it is to get here, guys? Little ferry ride, simple little ferry ride. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Where you all from? Oh my God, you're American?
Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. So long. Our vidas ain't tomorrow. Goodbye. So long. Our vidas ain't tomorrow. You guys know the song, right? No. Yeah. Goodbye. I don't even know the words, but hey, goodbye. Goodbye. We'll miss you. Goodbye. Guys, long, busy day, but now we're at the bar. Everybody's that worked all day is relaxing. All right. It's like I'm there at a concert. I'm at the concert.